Creatures that had to evolve because of us humans. Number 1. Bears. Bears living in Alaska were killed just so that money could be earned by selling their skins. And because mostly big bears were targeted, that is why research has shown that their size has been continuously decreasing in the last 50 years. Number 2. Birds. Often male birds sing songs to attract female birds, but due to the increasing noise in cities, communication between them is not possible. But now it has been seen that the voice of birds has increased by 30% compared to earlier, meaning now they can scream even louder.